So it's 2022. Who still uses a reciprocating saw to cut conduit? Let's be honest. This old brush bandsaw does it just fine. But for years, I cut conduit with a reciprocating saw, so we're gonna try it out. We are back with the DeWalt DCS 382. So this is really thick conduit, you can see there. This saw is really powerful. So this Milwaukee hacksaw is my absolute favorite. That's why we're comparing it. It's a very capable saw, good for the electrical trade. We are trying it against the DeWalt to see if the DeWalt is capable of the same things. So obviously the DeWalt's faster, it's more powerful, it's newer, whatever. I didn't expect Milwaukee to do as good. This is still a really capable, really good sawzall. But this reciprocating saw here is just faster in every way. So let's find out how it works one-handed. Because it is a fairly light saw. These are almost similar in weight. Let's get some conduit to settle this once and for all. It's 2022. Who still uses a reciprocating saw to cut conduit? Let's be honest. This old brush bandsaw does it just fine. But for years, I cut conduit with a reciprocating saw, so we're gonna try it out. I would usually put my thumb here for stability. One thing that I like, there's plenty of clearance in between here. Your finger's still out of the danger zone because you can't get pinched. Now this isn't an excuse to stick your finger here, but this is key information. Even with my finger here, I can run this up and down without making contact with this collet here. And that's a pretty neat thing. I feel really confident holding my finger here to cut this EMT. And it's very smooth. There's almost no vibration in my hands back here. Not bad. Just like before, I'm gonna put my hand here, but you're gonna see that if your finger gets stuck in there, there's no clearance. So that's at maximum stroke height, and you're there. Both are equally as capable. I still haven't decided what my favorite is, but this is very capable one-handed. Very smooth, very fast, minimal vibration back here. Not bad at all. What's my thoughts on it? When using a two-handed, it's a heck of a lot more comfortable than a one-handed reciprocating saw. When using this two-handed, most of the weight is up here, and it's kind of working against you to get the work done. Everything's streamlined here, and most of the weight, as you can see, is on the down. So you can see they're pretty similar in height. This one is shorter, but when it comes to most bag designs, that doesn't make a difference. After a certain length, both are short enough to fit in pretty much any setup you're going to be rocking. These right here are really nice to be able to get a good grab on whatever you're trying to do. Get the blade out. They are about half the size. You can see here this does fit in most bag setups. For the weight, the size of the battery, and the performance you get, this is an absolute no-brainer. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informational. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.